So Charles, what do you want us to do since Eloise, Alea, and Grayson are at Callum Rockley's home?
Athena, my wife, I want you to perform videos on someone's channel.
I love yoga. I wish I could teach the dish girls how to flex their bodies. Oh wait, they learned yoga in an episode from this series created by Gabriel Cortez. By the way, do you like my shoes?
Women's footwear. And I love to hike with my hiking boots during spring and summer seasons. Which reminds me, how about we take our daughters and son on a hiking trip?
Hiking? I love hiking. I could hike in heels. Oh wait, I could. Let's plan our hiking trip for June. Charles, do we have our supply of water and sandwiches?
Check that. Water and food supply is a go. Let's hike soon, but for now, time to cook us food.
Okay then. Still, we are a happy couple.
Did we hear correctly? The parents of Eloise Wilson are going on a hiking trip. Not on our watch. Let's scare them by using Vyond as payback.
Malicious thought. Oh well, my ears after me. Anyways,
Thanks for